Hi.
Well, hey guys, I am Original Cake. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And well, yeah, today I'm here with say your name.
KNRW.
KNRW. And I'm here with Adri, as you guys know from my other videos. So you guys ready? So Kane's it. So we're here with Gorilla Tag on VR. And goodbye, because I'm not dying from. Oh no, Adri's it. Nope, not happening. Why am I so slow right now? Not getting tagged today. Ooh, almost fell. Nope, not happening. Nope. I'm just gonna act like I'm not involved in whatever's happening. Oh, nope, not by Kane. AJ, you might want to run. Yay. So true, though. We're running from Kane. Dang, my jump didn't fly far. Are you okay, Kane? Nope, Adri, just don't get involved in this. Don't get involved with the psychopath. Crap.
What's up with it?
Oh, damn it. You better run.
I'm not good at Gorilla Tag, guys.
Gotcha. That scream was so worth it. That scream. Their screams are just so great. Oh wait, rate us each on how good you think we are at the game.
What's up with it?
What's up with it, though? Hey, where are you guys?
How'd you touch me?
Ew, how'd you touch me? You guys really hate each other. No, I hit Adri in the air too. That's how I tagged her. Who's it? Oh, it's Kane. That's fun. Gorilla Tag just be so great sometimes. No, all the time. What the hell? Oh, Kane? That was a mistake, buddy.
Wait, Adri's right behind you.
You thought you could escape me? Smack in the face.
Come here.
I'm good. Actually, you know, I'm actually really good. I'd rather not. Nope, that was a fail. Oh, at least I landed on this branch. Nope, that was a branch.
Where you at?
Oh, I hit my head on a tree branch. I'm actually in a tree, Kane, if you use your eyeballs.
I'm looking for 80, not you.
Well, I'm right behind you, actually.
Oh, I thought you said
You thought, buddy. You thought you could get me, didn't you? Oh, he thinks he can get me. Wait, did you tag Adri? Oh, you did. You did tag the Adri. Yeah, you are dead. I'm too far away from her, so she's going for you. Kane, you're the closest person to her. Maybe when you tag her, run as fast as you can, or you are dead, Kane. Adri and I might be a tad bit better than you at this game. What the hell? I'm glitching. Did he tag you? I'm shaking. I hear the Kane screams. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in the tallest tree. You guys have fun killing each other with monkey hands and lava rocks. No! I almost glitched off. Ooh. No, you guys have fun. I'm just gonna be up here, living the best life I can. Yes?
I was right behind you.
You were? Well, I didn't realize. You sound like SpongeBob.
Are you okay?
Yeah, are you okay down there, buddy? Adri's the purple monkey, Kane's the red monkey. No matter what Kane does, he's always going to be red. Because his color in the game is red.
I mean, unless he changes his color, but he won't always be red.
I almost fell backwards in real life. Uh-oh, why was that black? Why is it turning?
I have no.
Hey. Ah. Oh, dude, it's pitch black in my living room. Pause for a second. No wonder I'm losing. Damn. Wow, you guys see this, right? I lost connection to the game when I was filming. I didn't really lose connection. I'm back! Guys, sorry, what the heck? Guys, it was so pitch black in my living room that I lost tracking. I wonder how that's gonna look in the video. I don't really mind though. Ooh, tracking lost. Guess a hint to what I look like now. Who's gonna get me? Who's gonna get me? No one. The only person... Kane got me once, and that's because he landed on my broken neck right now. Good night. Wee!
I chased you.
Wee! No, you came out of nowhere on my freaking broken neck now.
When you're infected, it gives you like super speed and super jump.
It does? No wonder I feel empowered when I'm infected. Okay, that would explain the only reason you...
Girl, come here.
You saying hi to me, Adri? Adri, where are you? Adri, where are you?
Here. You don't gotta be scared.
Yes, you do, Adri. Don't trust this guy. He's creepy. Yeah, she's not scared, Kane. She just knows when to run from creepy guys who are gonna kill her with red lava rocks, you know? She's kinda knows when to run.
No, bro.
Yeah, Kane, I'm gonna keep my distance from you. There is an easier way to get up here. There's an easier way to get up here, guys. I'm just taking it the harder way. Nope, that was not some good jumps. You can wall jump on the back of it there, or you can climb up from the bottom of there and go up.
Okay.
Kane, did you tag her and then she tagged you instantly?
No, I fell off a tree.
Hello. Oh, okay. Goodbye then.
Where'd you go?
I came from the ground. Ooh, this is not good.
I'm so done with gorilla tag.
Come here!
You can't get me.
You made me fall.
Ooh, I almost fell.
You scared me. Goodness.
Oh, I fell. Kade, where are you?
I don't know.
Because I know where I am. My hand glitched there. Adrian, I'm coming to you. That's a hint to you, Kane. Yay!
Y'all want to do another video where we're playing Rec Room?
Maybe. But right now, I'm focused on going to meet up with my friend Adri. Adri, where are you, my friend?
Caleb, run.
There's no reason to run. I just had to walk really fast.
Come here, little girl.
That was okay, Kane. You sound like a creepy dude. Did he tag you, Adri?
Don't make me have to start this video back over because no, I gotta do it again.
Hey, Adri.
Why'd you have to?
Huh? Yeah, Kane?
I said, damn.
What, Kane? Yeah, okay.
That counts as a curse word on my channel.
What does?
Well,
The D word.
damn does.
No, it does not. Damn does not count as a curse word.
It counts on my channel, so stop saying it.
There's plenty of YouTubers who say damn when they're kid-friendly. Like Slogan Man, he sometimes says it. Oh, have fun starting over your video, I guess.
Hi guys.
That kind of stuff.
Today I'm gonna be playing with my two best friends. Right now and I'm on my quest too. So yeah, come here.
Oh, look at him restarting his video just because of a word.
Make sure to subscribe to
Original Cake! Promotion for my friends! Yes! The feed. Yum, delicious promotion.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel.
I have a channel too, but okay.
Yeah, AJ has a channel too. You know that?
No,
I'm not recording for it.
Hey AJ, what's your channel again? Here, I'll say it on video, huh? Come here, tell me your channel.
It's not Lover Adri, by the way. It's Adri Martinez.
What is it?
It's Adri Martinez. That's it.
It's Adri Martinez. So short and sweet. Short and sweet. Really short and short and sweet, Adri. Nice. Short and sweet. Oh, what the hell? My arm's glitching. Hey, why aren't we in the desert? That sounds fun. Hey, let's take Kane to the desert, Adri. Wait, now you guys are contaminating me. You guys are making me say desert when it's really canyons. You guys contaminated me. I usually say canyons, but now I'm saying desert. You say haha to someone else, cause I'm escapee. What the hell is happening? What? Juice? To me?
My hands hurt. Or do they?
I thought y'all said you were going to the canyons.
Yeah, we are. At least I am. Wait, Adri, let's hide from him. You know the spot that I was in earlier? That our friend showed us? Or showed me? Oh, never mind. Adri, did you just fall? That was kind of sad. Now that... Can, come get me. If you can even get up here.
Oh, he's not in here? What the?
He wasn't here, but I think he left. Where is he?
I'm coming in here.
Yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yo, yeet! Yeah, I didn't even realize I was saying yo, yeet, to be honest. Yo, yeet! Yo, no! Yo, yeet! Yes, that's the third time I've ever done that. Now a really hard jump that I've only done like 3 times. Nope, almost did.
Go.
Kayan, I fell.
Fell in the canyon.
I fell in the canyon too. Do you want me to help you get out of there, Kayan? Here, but you can tag me, but I'm just gonna tag you back. But
Then there's no point in tagging you.
yes, there is. You can have a few seconds of glory. Kayan, I'll help you get out. Just stay in the canyon. Hi.
I know where to get out. I can just wall jump out if I want to.
I hear you, and I think I know where you are.
I think I know where he is too.
Where is he? I don't see him. Kayan?
No, he's not in here.
Kayan, where are you? Stand still.
Oh, he's right there!
Where is
Can
he?
turn around. No, can turn around.
Where is he?
Oh, he did it.
Where is
Over
he?
there.
Where?
You, Caleb.
I don't know.
Found him.
Dude, oh, I'm under you, Adri. Adri, I'm under you. I'm over here. Where'd you go? I saw you when you were jumping over something. Adri, stay still. I'm coming out of a canyon. What's new?
He's coming this way. I hope you know that, Caleb.
Where? He's going in the opposite direction
He's
of the
coming
way.
this way.
Kayan, where are you?
I don't know anymore.
Kayan, stay still. I'll help you get out. Dude, I'm helping my enemy right now.
No, I'm out of the canyons.
You left the canyon?
Kian, I see you.
Shush, AG.
Oh, I hear you.
Bro,
You are-
Kian, I legit see you, buddy.
Where is he? Adri, I'm coming up. Show me where he is.
He's over here.
Over here doesn't tell me. Just show me.
He's over here, but he left. He kind of fell over here to the middle of this thing. Hello.
What the hell, dude?
Kian.
Just
How
come
you
over here and make
doing?
this easy for me.
Come over where? Ooh, I just hit a fan. Uh-oh.
I know. Oh,
Oh, hey. Well, he's a bully.
alright.
Adri, you should go after him because he's closer to you than I am. You know? Kane's always gonna be hit because he's closest to her. So,
Come here. No! Get back.
Adri, that was funny to listen to. Adri, I heard you. Where are you?
I'm not gonna have a nice day.
I know.
It's actually nighttime, so yeah, your nice day has ended.
Be thankful.
Where'd you go? I just saw him. Oh.
Boy!
Oh, you better run, buddy. No, I'll leave you alone since you've been it the entire time. AJ, this is the only time I'm doing this for him, okay? He's just always it, and I feel bad. Yes, I'm taking pity on him for this one time.
I'm leaving. I'm going to hide.
AJ, where are you? Adri?
Saw you, Caleb. Caleb, Hello, mate.
Caleb, why?
Hello.
Did
Did I scare you because I came through the bush?
Heart attack.
I gave you a whole heart attack. Is that because I came through the bush? Is that because I came through the bush?
God.
She. I hope that word isn't copyrighted. Imagine. Did I just hear you fall? Nope. That would have been nice though if I did hear you fall, because then I would have had.
Ken, where are you?
I don't know, and I don't care.
Where'd he go?
Where are you, Ken?
I'm totally not watching from above. Not me at all. Hey, that song might be copyrighted. Stop singing it.
I'm sorry. Hey, but
Hi, this is funny to watch. Kane, look above. Look alive.
Where'd you come from?
Above you, Kane. Adri, over here.
I look behind me.
No, she came from above you. She came from above you and behind you. Adri, come on, run. Niggas got that song stuck in my head. I don't want to sing it because it's copyrighted. If it's copyrighted.
Something.
Adri, come on. We're running from him. The psychopath, dude. I kind of feel bad. Maybe, Adri, maybe we shouldn't be up here when he's it. I feel like that's unfair. What's happening? What am I listening to anymore? I'm in a creepy crevice. I don't like this.
I cannot do that voice again. That is gonna hurt my voice.
What? Hi, Kane. Hi. I can't see where I am anymore.
Come here.
Why should I?
Why does Kane sound so aggressive right now? He seems like he's gonna kill someone just to tag them. Oh. Where is he?
No.
He's over here.
I meant no.
I'm gonna go down there just to be funny. Hi.
Same here.
Now goodbye. Now goodbye. I'm gone, Kane. I've left, Kane. I wall jumped in there, went through there, and came up here.
Damn.
Where is he? I wanna, cause I wall jumped here, then I went through the crevice and wall jumped over there.
I wonder where he is too.
I kind of feel bad. Actually, you know what? Let's change scenery. Kane, we're going to the crystal cave. You better catch up. Kane, you're gonna copyright your own video.
Hey guys, I wanna play our room.
Too late. Sorry. We are in the crystals.
What?
Cave.
We're in the crystal cave.
Why? You just ditched me?
I mean, we are running from you, to be honest.
We were going. So, if you wanna
When you were
play
singing
this,
into
you
the
can go ahead.
feck of it.
But I wouldn't really do that if I were you.
I wanna play our room, you know? Cause
I just realized, if that song's copyrighted, you know, I just realized if that song's copyrighted, how come people make YouTube videos of the song?
Exactly what I'm saying. I see it all over my freaking YouTube.
I see those
On my
funny
phone.
animated ones. I hear Kayan.
Uh-huh. Even though I see the evil ones.
Evil ones, I love those. What's
It's
that,
really
Cochino?
funny, but it's also scary. I have to put it.
I kind of want. AG, what's going?
Play our room.
No, come on, Kayan, come get us. We're going into the freaking
Mines.
mines.
That's kind of the mines.
Kayan, we're not playing Rec Room right now, dude. Come get us. We're in the canyon. We're not. Oh, he's coming, Adri. Go into the freaking mines.
You thought you could trick me?
We didn't think you. We told you where we were. Hey,
Exactly.
Adri, how long were you? You went the opposite way of me, Adri. I saw you. Go.
Kill him. Oh, he scared me.
He's probably coming for us.
Ow! I almost fell. In real life. Well, I don't know why I said ow. Like, oh my god.
Really? Oh, Kang, we're not. Oh, wait. There's no way.
Still it.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm gonna
Adri, go into the mines.
your family.
Give me your toes. Oh. Hell no.
Adrian!
Hell no. I said hell.
I'm gonna go past him so you can only tag him. He's the closest person to you. Adrian, run! Into the mines! Adrian, into the mines! Adrian! Adrian, I thought we were going into the mines.
I thought we were too, but he's right behind you.
No, he's not. He's behind you. We're gonna go. You made the decision. This is the first time you've ever wanted to go in here.
Figure out how to get out of here. I can't get out of here. I'm stuck.
He can't even get out. We've escaped.
I got out.
Whee! Adrian, come on, up here.
No!
Adrian!
I fell.
You scream? I'm sorry, but your scream is priceless. Hey, Adrian, you wanna go to the place we walked to 3 seconds ago as soon as he comes in here?
Yes!
Wait, Adrian. Yep, Adrian, let's be sneaky. Come on over here.
Y'all suck at this game. Don't joke.
Quick
I
though.
learned this actually today.
Yeah,
Which is
she
really
did.
cool.
And I got really good at it today.
Can you
No, I'm
show
not
me?
really good. Hi.
Can you show me how to get in there too?
You just go like this and push against the wall. Adrian, you want to make a run for it?
How did you get up
Oh,
there?
I have to do anyways.
He's coming.
Adrian, how'd you get up there?
Adrian, come on. Adrian, you coming?
Yeah, bring it, Adrian. Come on.
Adrian?
What makes it
Come
dark,
on. And where you think you're going?
I don't like how dark it is in here.
I'm gonna put my guard up. No!
Adrian, come on. Yes, Adrian, you're doing the thing I did to.
You're such a butthead.
I can't run.
That scream is priceless.
Kane, your scream is also priceless. Kane, your scream is also priceless. Adrian, let's go to that place we've been wanting to go to.
What's up with you?
Crystals.
Crystals.
She went in the crystals. What's up with it?
You better run, buddy, because you know I'm gonna get you. Where'd you even go, Kane? What the hell?
I went in the canyon.
Thank you for the information. Now I'm gonna get you in like 3 seconds.
He didn't go in the canyon. You can't. He doesn't play with
Stop being a
liars, kid.
snitch, Adrian.
You can't lie to him unless he won't play with you.
Hey, Adrian, you can't say that. You've done that to me too. That's the only reason you know not to do that.
Be thankful I saved your freaking.
Kane's the only one I see right now, so I'm just gonna tag him. Adrian, where are you?
Nowhere.
Now, can we play our
I'm not. I tagged Kane. I tagged Kane. He's trying to chase me right now.
Can we play our room?
Kane, stop asking that. We're running from you right now. Too busy running from your murderous little face.
I never had
Adrian, where are you? I'm in the mines.
like to
Y'all, I'm in the video.
I like to do.
Adrian, I hear you. Like you're right next to me.
Hey guys, I gotta go. I gotta upload this video now.
Hey, get in. Get in.
Guys,
Shut up. Get in.
guys,
Come down. Go.
guys,
Yes.
guys, just to let you know, I'm leaving so I can upload this video.
Okay. See ya. Well, I guess we hope you guys enjoy this video. We're in the shady corner.
Bye.
Well, if you guys liked it enough, consider subscribing and like the video. Like the video. Like the video.
Yell at me.